Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on sample space. In probability, the list of all possible things that can occur for any particular event is called the sample space. It is represented by the capital letter S. Let's look at some examples. Number 1. The following is the sample space when a coin is tossed. So we saw in an earlier video that a normal coin has two sides. One is a head and the other one we call a tail. So the sample space, which is the possible things that can occur, that's all the possible things that can occur when the coin is tossed, is a head or a tail, and that's how we write it. We list each of the possible outcomes. Let's look at number 2. The following is the sample space when a die, which is singular of dice, is tossed. Often we say the word dice, but that's the plural form, more than one. So this is a die. So with the die we have these numbers. So that's the sample space. Any one of those numbers can occur when we roll the die. We use NS to denote the number of possible outcomes in the sample space. So for a coin, NS means the number of possible things that can occur is 2. 1, 2. For a die, NS equals 6 because you have 6 numbers. Let's have a look at some examples. For each of the following, list S and then calculate NS. So choosing one of the days of the week. So the sample space will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. NS is 7. Choosing a letter from the alphabet, the sample space is A, B, C, D, E, all the way up to Z. So the number in the sample space is 26 because there are 26 letters of the alphabet. Choosing a number from 1 to 10, the sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4 and all the numbers up to 10. So the number in the sample space is 10. Choosing a colour from the following spinner. We notice here that this spinner has 5 colours: green, blue, yellow, orange and red. So the number in the sample space is 5. Some people might think this is pink, but it doesn't matter. The two colours are different and there are 5 of them. The next one, picking one of the seasons at random. So the sample space will be spring, summer, autumn and winter. And the number of possibilities is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next example, guessing an odd number that is less than 10. So we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So they're all the possibilities, and there are 5 of them. Excuse me. So this video has introduced the idea of the sample space, where we've seen the meaning of S, we've seen the meaning of NS, and we've given some examples on how to calculate S and NS.